Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to repair VGR Voyager trimmer. Begin by unplugging and removing the battery, then work on a clean table with good light. Check the model number and examine the blade head for debris and wear. Note any loose screws or damaged parts and keep them organized. Use a small brush to remove hair and test the motor briefly before reassembly to confirm function. Start by removing the blade assembly following visible clips or screws. Rinse only metal blades in warm soapy water and dry them fully to avoid corrosion. Use a small brush to clear hair from inside the blade chamber and magnetic parts. Reapply a drop of clipper oil between teeth and run the motor briefly to distribute lubricant evenly. Replace any bent or nicked blades to prevent skin pulls and uneven trimming. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more repair content. Quick recommendation. The Simple Path to Wealth is a book that can truly change how you think about money, and it pairs nicely with DIY projects that save you cash. Check the description for the link and other deals to support the channel and find savings on tools and books. Now let's get back to the video. Check motor performance by powering the unit for a few seconds and listening for unusual noise. If rotation is weak, clean commutator contacts and inspect brushes or armature for wear. For battery issues, confirm charging indicator behavior and consider replacing the battery pack if runtime drops substantially. Wipe connectors with isopropyl alcohol to remove residue and ensure a snug battery fit. Reassemble and run a full speed test before use.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.